Guys, it's Gilbert from Total Home, and it's time for another Total Home quick tip. One of my biggest favorite things is spray foam insulation. There's absolutely nothing better than spray foam. Yes, it costs more, but it's absolutely seamless. There will be no drafts and no air leakage, especially up in the header cavities. Like, you cannot get any better than that. The second thing to ensure an absolutely perfect floor is self-leveling cement. We had to break the floor for all of this plumbing, and of course when you patch it, it's never perfect. There's always little raised areas and whatnot. So this stuff here, you just you mix it up. It's very, very wet, and it kind of just levels itself. And I just put a little threshold here at the door just to hold it back until it dries. It is rapid setting stuff, so it will dry you know, pretty quickly. And note that I stopped it right before the middle of the door, so I can bring my tiles right to here. And when you close the door, you don't see the floor in the bathroom. And when you're in the bathroom, you don't see the floor in the hallway. And yeah, another fine job by Total Home. Talk to you soon. Take care.